Hi, today I'm here to help you to understand the concept of how to balance a chemical equation. In this picture, you can see the reactants on the left hand side and products on the right hand side. The balancing of chemical equation is governed by the law of conservation of mass, which states that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. It can change from one form to another. So, a chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. The reactants are always in the left hand side of the equation and products are always in the right hand side of the equation. You can just pause the video to understand it better. So, before going into the video, please be with a book, paper, pen, etc. Now, we are going to learn how to balance a chemical equation. How to balance a chemical equation using 4 steps. First step, write the equation neatly. Whether it is a word equation or any equation, just write the equation neatly and just go through the subscript and coefficient. If there is no number, we can assume the coefficient as 1. And here the subscript is 8 and 2 for sulfur and oxygen respectively. So if you want, you can pause the slide and then you can understand it better. Then step number 2 is count the number of atoms on each side of the equation. LHS and RHS, both sides, the number of atoms should be same. How to find the number of atoms? Coefficient into subscript gives the number of atoms. Here in case of in LHS, it is 8 for sulfur and 2 for oxygen. And here RHS, sulfur is 1 and oxygen is 2. Now we have to multiply it by 8. You can balance the equation. We can do another example. Ammonia NH3 plus HCl gives NH4Cl. We have to first write the number of atoms of each element present in LHS and RHS. Here, in case of in this example, 3 hydrogen plus 1 hydrogen gives 4 hydrogen atoms in the LHS side. It is a balanced equation. Then third one, we can do another example. When magnesium burned in air, it gives magnesium oxide. So Mg is equal to 1, oxygen is 2, Mg is equal to 1 and oxygen is 1 in this case. So we have to multiply it by 2. You just pause the video, you just write the question and pause the video and check how to balance. Then step number 3 is in case of polyatomic ions. Here NO3 nitrate, SO4 sulfate are polyatomic ions. So you can consider it as a whole and you can mark it as calcium 1, sulfate 1, sodium 1, nitrate 1. And in RHS calcium 1, sulfate 1, sulfate 1, sodium 2 and nitrate 2. So just multiplying 2 in the LHS side, you can balance the equation. Better try by doing yourself, and in case you just pause the video and be with me. Then step 4 is verify and cross-check the balanced equation. That is the last step. Again, you have to check the equation. Hope you all enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.